Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for checking out this video. It really means a lot to me. In this video we're going to be going behind the scenes on one of my videos and looking at one shot in particular, how we achieved that shot, the planning and preparation that went into it, and the reason why it so nearly failed. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm heading out to the location with the drone to get this shot. But this is where it didn't begin. It started 2 days previous. So let's back up a bit and start from right at the beginning. So there I was walking the dog around the field, and if you're like me, I'm always getting distracted by potential locations for filming. This usually happens when my missus is telling me something really important. But then out the corner of my eye I caught a glimpse of potential. A gap in the hedgerow, a bridge in the distance. Could this be the sunrise shot I was after? Could I get a drone from here to there and under that bridge? There's only one thing for it. I had to scope it out. Now I'm not the greatest of drone pilots and I need to pre-plan all my flights. The thing I'm looking for is potential hazards. The drone is going to be flying in this direction and as you can see there's plenty of hazards to crash into. It doesn't matter how much pre-planning I do, there's always something that comes up that I haven't accounted for, as we will find out later. Looking back from the bridge, the distance is probably about 600 meters, but I can see the shot in my mind. It's definitely doable. And after finding a location where I can pilot the drone in from and watch as the drone passes under the bridge, it was now just a waiting game for the perfect sunrise. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm heading out again with a drone to get this shot. Today is the day, conditions are perfect. The sun is rising behind the bridge and the drone is going to be flying towards the sunrise. What could go wrong? I get the drone up and it's already looking like a beautiful shot. But I spoke too soon. I run into a problem straight away. It's so bright that I can't line the drone up with the bridge. I can't even see the bridge on the monitor. I'm literally flying blind. Try again and again to get the drone lined up, but it's just too risky. I can barely make out any of the obstacles. To give you some idea of what I was seeing, here is an example. I can just barely make out the lampposts. I'm going to probably have to end this video here because I can't get this drone under the bridge. I can't see anything on the monitor. It's just too sunny, too bright. And yeah, I'm flying blind. Real shame. We'll have one more go at it and we'll see what we can get, but at the minute I'm probably going to have to back up and go out. It was at this moment I had one last idea. My position was close to the bridge and I could see the drone flying towards the bridge, no problem. I just couldn't see what the drone was seeing on the monitor. I could try and fly the drone just using visual line of sight. I would fly the drone towards the bridge above the street lamps and then drop down at the last minute and try and get the drone under the bridge. I would probably only have 2 or 3 seconds to decide if I was at the correct height and if it was going to make it under the bridge or not. But I had to give it a chance. I had to give it one last go. I think I've just shat myself. I am never doing that again. That was just too close, man. That was literally 1 inch away from hitting the roof of the bridge. I am never doing that again, ever. Jesus, that was just too risky. Woo! So hopefully now you've seen the whole behind the scenes of how that shot was put together, the pre-planning, getting it right. Unfortunately I couldn't foresee the sun rising and blinding me on the monitor of the drone, so that was an experience. Anyway, I probably had about 3 foot of room in truth from the top of the foliage. There was also a wire fence there, so I had a gap of about 3 foot to get through. And as you saw there, it was literally 1 inch away from hitting the roof of the bridge. So pretty damn close, and I swore to myself I'd never do that again. Anyway, I'm going to show you the clip now, how it ended up. And if you've not seen my 1000 Reasons cinematic video, where that's included, check it out here. And ask yourself, what I'd like to ask you is, would you go ahead with this type of shot? And let me know your thoughts on it. Comment below. Here's the shot, how it ended up. Enjoy, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this rather long video just about flying under a bridge. I know it's probably dragged out a little bit, but I wanted to show you as much as I could about it. Just thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Catch up soon, guys. Look after yourself.